Welcome to Rod's Tree Tours of the University of Nevada, Reno Arboretum. My name is Rod Hollenbeek, aka the Tree Hunter. I am your host for this tree tour. This is the Davidson Math and Science Center tree tour. It starts at the front door of the Davidson Mathematics and Science Center, aka the DMS building, and proceeds clockwise around the building. After one revolution, it goes clockwise along the edges of the Laxalt Mineral Research, Laxalt Mineral Engineering, and Palmer Engineering buildings. The building was constructed in 2010, and the size of the trees reflects that. There is a pause of 2 seconds after each tree to let you get to the next tree, but if you haven't yet reached the tree, or if you need a little extra time to locate or contemplate it, please press pause until you are ready, then press play. Okay, let's get started. Along the front of the building, at number 1 on the map, are some junipers, scientific name Junipers sp. These grow mostly vertically, so they can be put in a small space. The planting area is only 3 feet wide. Near the junipers at number 2 on the map are 3 small planter beds. In these beds are Chanticleer Pear, scientific name Pyrus Caleriana Chanticleer. This cultivar of the Chinese native Callery pear has an upright form and a well-controlled shape, so it is very popularly planted as a street or public tree. It has abundant white flowers in spring, glossy dark leaves in summer, and yellow, orange, red, and/or purple fall color in good years. The 2 trees in the grass area near the circular paver area at number 3 are Sycamore Maple, scientific name Acer pseudoplatanus nizeti, a cultivar of the species native to Europe and Western Asia. Cultivated for centuries, it is distinguished from Norway maple by the toothiness of its lobes. Norway maple has a few teeth, but sycamore maple has many. UNR has recently planted a bunch of these, including 11 in this area. Please press pause and go to the side of the building. There's a row of 5 small trees at number 4. Go to any of them and press play. These are Pink Spires Crabapple, scientific name Malus pink spires. This cultivar has purplish leaves and pink flowers, which bloom earlier and last longer than many other crabapples. It stays small. It grows to 15 feet by 12 feet. Crabapples have simple leaves. The leaf has a central stem with 1 leaflet. Please press pause and continue to the next tree, taller and thinner, toward the street at number 5. Press play. This tree has pinnately compound leaves. That is, the leaf has a central stem with leaflets coming out from it. In this case, there is an odd number of leaflets, 5 or 7. This tree is autumn purple ash, scientific name Fraxinus americana autumn purple, a cultivar of the white ash native to eastern and midwestern North America. This tree has better fall color, yellow, orange, and/or bronze, than the species. In recent years, this tree has become more popular than its close relative, green ash. Please press pause and turn right at the end of the building until you get to a small tree before the sycamore maple at number 6. Press play. This is Kousa Dogwood, scientific name Cornus Kousa. This native of Japan, Korea, and China is smaller and more slowly growing than its relative flowering dogwood, which is featured on the Quad tree tour. The flowers of this tree have pointed bracts, often mistaken for flower petals, and striking 3/4 inch round red fruits. This is one of 5 in this area. Please press pause and go to the corner of the building at number 7. There is a weeping conifer between the sidewalk and the building. Press play. This is weeping Japanese red pine, scientific name Pinus densiflora pendula. Japanese red pine is native to Japan, Korea, and China. This cultivar, like the species, has shaggy reddish-brown bark. Each tree has its own shape. This one seems to be very contorted. These trees require staking when young to keep them from falling over. Please press pause and cross the street and paver sidewalk toward Life Sciences, turning left onto a small concrete sidewalk leading to a door at the back of Life Sciences at number 8. Press play. The small tree with the pointed, variegated leaves is Variegated American Holly. Scientific name Ilex opaca, not sure of cultivar. This tree has thick, glossy, pointed leaves and red berries which persist into winter. Note that this tree was planted only 2 feet from the building. Please press pause, head back to the brick circle, turn left, and pass 3 more pink Spires crabapples, going onto the other sidewalk, to the tree left of the door at number 9. Press play. This is Japanese maple, scientific name Acer palmatum, planted 1990. This tree likes afternoon shade and protection from northern Nevada's frequent strong winds, so this is an excellent location for it. Note that this tree was planted too close to the building. Please press pause and walk to the 3rd paver circle. There is a small sidewalk to the left between Laxalt Mineral Research and Laxalt Mineral Engineering buildings. Take it until you reach the 3 tree shrubs, a plant that could be either tree or shrub form, on the left at number 10. Press play. This is what I call Redtwig Dogwood, scientific name either Cornus alba or Cornus sericea. Cornus alba is native to Siberia and northern Korea, and Cornus sericea is native to northern and western North America, including the Sierra Nevada. They are very similar looking, with red twigs and small white flowers. Normally they are in shrub form, but in this case they have grown to tree size. Please press pause and walk on the sidewalk leading to Sweetgum Engineering. At number 11, there are 4 trees with compound leaves and zigzag branches before the perpendicular sidewalk leading to Palmer Engineering. Press play. These are Honeylocust, scientific name Gleditsia triacanthos, native to eastern and midwestern U.S. The small leaflets, 20 to 30 on a stem, turn a reliably bright yellow color in early fall. Once established, this is a tough tree. Where the 2 sidewalks meet at number 12, there are 3 pyramidal trees with maple-like leaves and spiny half-inch fruits. These are Sweetgum, scientific name Liquidambar styraciflua, native to eastern and midwestern U.S. These trees will eventually become very large. For now, they have yellow, orange, purple, or red fall colors, which can be spectacular on some trees in some years. Please press pause and walk along the sidewalk between Palmer Engineering and Davidson to the south door of Palmer. There is a small blue-green conifer at number 13. Press play. This is Dwarf Colorado Blue Spruce, scientific name Picea pungens. This is a dwarf cultivar of the Rocky Mountains native, probably Fat Albert. It will not get taller than 10 feet, but it will be almost as wide. This tree was probably planted when landscaping for Davidson was installed. This concludes the Around Davidson Math and Science Center tree tour. Thank you for joining me on this tour. If you would like to support the Arboretum, please see the options on the Donate link on the UNR Arboretum website.